Hello guys, if you have been looking for a way to grow your small trading capital into a big one, or probably you are the type that would like to start small and grow big later on, or probably even if you are having a large capital and this strategy is also going to work for you, so you just need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I will be sharing with you a simple strategy which you can use to grow your small trading capital into a big one without any issue. That is why I tagged today's video how to grow $20 to $300 plus in 30 days trading boom and crash. Okay, this is a very simple strategy. All you just need to do is just to follow every steps I will be highlighting in today's video. And also, if you are also having more than this and probably you want to earn more within a short period of 30 days, then definitely you can still apply the same strategy, because the same calculations works for everything within the same, depending on your trading capital. Okay, we're going to be combining so many features, so many tools together. We're going to be combining so many tools together in order to trade successfully, and also in order to achieve this within a short period without any issue at all. So you just sit tight and watch this video to the very end. Okay, but before going fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. I've got lots and lots of training videos that can get you started immediately. All you just need to do is just to take your time to watch them. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before you try it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, and also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because without it you will be missing out on some of this information I'll be passing out on my channel. Okay, there are vital information that will be coming up on my channel very soon that you guys will not want to miss out from. Okay, so before going fully into today's video, just take a few seconds to check below this video and click on the subscription button. Click on it and also click on notification bell and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly, this is Qora Digital Cash again. Let's quickly check out what is happening in the market before we go fully into what we have for today. Right now we are having boom 1000, and this is signal indicator. I'm using the signal indicator here. That's the setup I'm using. Like I said yesterday, that it has gotten to a resistance level that we might experience some drop down, which was what happened yesterday, and it tried to pull up back again. Of course, didn't really go beyond this. If it's unable to break this resistance level, then the next drop down will be below this. Okay, will be below this. Then we should be experiencing it around, it should be getting to somewhere here before there will be a pullback up again. That means the downtrend is starting from there. Okay, so do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, the next one is crash 1000, and I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, right now this is also 1 hour time frame. Right now crash is crashing at the moment, so it is on downtrend. It is selling at the moment. Okay, wait for it to get to this support level. You can see it's just crashed again. Wait for it to get to this support level before you jump into the trade. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500. I'm using the NT indicator right now. Okay, it is on uptrend and trying to get to this resistance level. If it breaks this resistance level, the resistance level here, if it breaks it, then definitely we should be looking at the topmost at this point. Okay, at this resistance level, Okay, we should be looking at this resistance level before it will come back. Okay, so that is that. Let's check out what is happening with boom 500. Okay, for boom 500, it's been on a very strong uptrend. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. You can check it out. The trend started from here and it's been on a very strong uptrend. It's been going up and up and up till this moment where the trend is changing from uptrend to downtrend. Like I used to tell you, okay, if the trend is changing, it is always finding it difficult to change totally. You can see it tried to pull down here, spiked up again to that resistance level, pull down here again, went back to that resistance level, and we still come down to this level till it is able to break this level. So it will keep on doing that till it will break this level. So but the market is on downtrend at the moment. So the market is on downtrend at the moment. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. Okay, so quickly let's go back to what we have for today. But before we continue, if you have any question at all, either about this video or any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my indicators, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and of course I will drop them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notification. Okay, the topic we have for today is how to grow $20 into $300 plus in 30 days. Okay, I don't want you to rush into this, and I don't want you to lose your money, because no matter how small or big your money is, it is your hard-earned currency. Okay, so it won't be proper if you are losing it. If you are able to afford $20 to put into the trading platform, I believe that is something that's really worth a lot to you at that particular time. So you shouldn't lose it. Okay, you shouldn't lose it. There shouldn't be any room for you to lose it, because you are investing that particular amount of money. Some people might see it as a very small amount of money. Of course, to some people it is small, while to some people it is a lot of money. Okay, so we don't need to blame anyone for bringing in a small trading capital. Of course, like I used to tell you, it is always difficult to trade with a small trading capital compared to when you are trading with with a big capital. Okay, but this is it. I've got a solution for you. You can start even with a small trading capital if that is all you can afford. Okay, if that is all you can afford, so you can start small, and you must be really patient. You must be very patient in order to grow it. Okay, do not expect to make big profits just the way those that are having big capital are doing. Okay, you've seen people making $500 per day, you've seen people making $100 per day, you've seen people making $1,000 per day. Don't expect to make that amount of money right now. Okay, another thing I need to tell you is make sure you are emotionally stabilized. Okay, make sure you are emotionally and psychologically stabilized, because that alone can help you to lose your money, even if you are having $100,000 trading account. Okay, you can lose it all because it will look as if things are not working well for you again. And do not trade under tension. Then also, I'm just trying to give you all those guidelines so that you will be able, those are the things that actually solve my own problems. Okay, do not trade under tension. Probably you are in debt, or probably you're trying to pay a certain amount of money and you want to use $20 to pay that amount of money. Maybe you're trying to pay about $5,000, you are in debt of $5,000 and you only have $20, and you are trying to grow the $20 in order to pay that $5,000. Then I'm sorry, you are not ready to trade. Okay, you are yet to be ready for real business. Okay, you are not ready to trade. The reason is you've already lost your money even before you get started, because the pressure of that money, the debt on ground will be in your mind, and that will affect your trading activity. So it is better you set the $20 apart for business and look for other ways to clear your debt. And whenever you want to trade, make sure the issue of the debt is not in your head. Okay, do not put it that okay, it is the $20 that you want to use to pay up the debt. Okay, of course, if it gets to that level, definitely it will help you to pay it. Probably you must have paid a little on the debt, and if this one grows up very well, you can use it to trade to pay the debt. But do not have it at the back of your mind that that is what you are trying to use to pay the debt. If you are having that, then you put yourself in more trouble, because the little money you are having, you are also going to lose it again. Okay, so that is it. I'm just trying to give you a few tips, some of those things that helped me when I was just starting also. Okay, so let's go straight into how you can go $20 into $30, I mean into $300 plus, because today's trade is going to be more of practical. I'm going to share with you how to do this, and it's not going to be an inspirational talk, okay, like I've just started with. Okay, so just the way I was doing rather. Okay, so let's go straight into the business. Okay, these are some of the things you should look out for before you trade. Okay, of course, if you have been following my video, you will notice that I've been laying more emphasis on these items. Okay, so I'm going to do that again, okay, so that you guys will understand, because some people then if you don't keep on telling them things over and over, they don't usually get it. They don't take to corrections. Okay, so these are some of the things you need to look out for in order to do it successfully. Number one, you need to be sure of the trend. Number two, take note of the support and resistance levels. I'm not going to take time with it, I mean waste your time on this. Okay, so and also the third one, know the best entry point and exit point. And the fourth one, use the right trading tools, because that will help you to be able to achieve this first three. Okay, then lastly, I will add this to it, which is the fifth one, and very, very important: use the right lot size. Okay, use the right lot size. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this quickly. Of course, we have the right trading tools, and the right trading tools is the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, with it we can easily know the trend. With it we can easily know the support and resistance level, because I've added the support and resistance level to it. Okay, then with it we can easily know our entry point and our exit point. So this is amazing. It's about the best trading tools that we can use at the moment to do our analysis within a split of time. Okay, so quickly, I'm not going to waste our time on this also. So I believe most of you are having this set up already, this indicator, so have it on your demo account, because I want you to practice with whatever I will be teaching you in today's video. Okay, quickly, let me quickly say this, then we'll lay more emphasis on lot size. Okay, lot size. So let's check out the lot size we are going to be using. So this is it for the $20 account. Remember, the smallest lot size we are allowed to use on boom and crash, the normal lot size is the smallest lot size we are allowed to use is 0.2. okay, which is too much for the $20 account. Of course, the highest lot size you can use for a $20 account is 0.3. Sorry, 0.3. okay, all these are too much for a $20 account. Okay, if care is not taken, a single spike can take off your $20 if you use 0.2 lot size. Okay, so instead of you using 0.2 lot size, why can't you use 0.02 lot size to trade it? Okay, this will give you more confidence in the market while trading. Even if the market is going against you, you won't be seeing a big figure, and within minutes you will get back into profits. Okay, this is amazing, right? This is amazing. So this is what we want to achieve. Okay, we'll be using 0.02 lot size, and I'm going to share with you how to achieve this. Of course, you won't be allowed to use this right from the beginning. So this is what you do, okay? While entering your order, you input 0.3 as your lot size, 0.3 as your lot size, 0.3 as your lot size. I did a few calculations in my last video, so you need to watch that. So we have to use 0.3 as your lot size. So immediately it gets into blue, then you click on close. Once you click on close, you deduct, okay, wait, do this calculation, 0.02. okay, this is the lot size you want to use, okay. So you're going to change the lot size while you are trying to close it. Before you close it, change the lot size to 0.28. click on close. On the closing page, I'll change it. You can easily do this on your mobile phone, okay. You can easily do this on your mobile phone, okay. So after doing your analysis on your system, you can go to mobile and do this, or probably you can also do it on your system by clicking on modify to change this, okay. So you change this to 0.28 and close it. So you will close the little profits you have with 0.28, then you will be left with 0.02 lot size, okay. That will be this will be what they will be trading. I mean, this is what you will be trading with at that particular point, okay. So that is how to do it, okay. If you don't know how to set it up, I will advise you, because I don't want to waste our time, to go back to this video which I tagged best controlled strategy for growing small accounts, trading boom and crash. I'm going to add the link to the description so that you can easily click on it and watch it, okay. In this video I showed you how to set it, okay, so you can go through it so that you will understand how to set it up, okay. So quickly, let's go back to this, and remember, before you do this, all you just need to do is just to go to the markets, set your chart on. You can have this set up on boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500, okay. Let your charts be in this form, okay. Then I'll take it to 5 minutes time frame. Then on 5-minute time frame, for instance, for boom 500, this is downtrend already, so I got my sell signal here. So once you get your sell signal, you can come in, and once you get to blue, you come in with 0.3 lot size, because that is the highest you can do for $20, okay. You come in with that. Immediately you come in with that. Once it turns to blue, you set it up immediately, so using the settings I just explained to you, okay. That way you will be guided. I mean, you will be able to avoid all these sudden spikes that happens, and you won't be able to lose your money, okay. I've just taught you how to protect your money right now, okay. So the next thing for us to do is how to achieve what we want to achieve, which is $300 in 30 days, okay. So this is what you need to do. Remember, this is the lot size, approved lot size to use. Lot size to use, okay, to use is this. That is the approved lot size to use for a $20 account, okay. Then your target, your main target for your daily trade should be 10%, okay. Right now we are growing our trading capital right now, okay. Should be 10% of your trading capital, okay. It shouldn't be more than 10%, okay, so that you won't get used to trading, over trading, okay. It shouldn't be more than 10%, okay. So which means 10% of $20 will give you $2, okay. You think that is small? No, it's not small. Your trading capital is small. If you think it is small, then increase your trading capital. If you increase your trading capital to $10,000, definitely you will be earning $1,000, okay, with this strategy. So if you think $20 is small, if you think $2 is small, then your trading capital is also small, okay. We need to be realistic here, okay. We need to be realistic here. You don't expect you don't expect a big profit with a small trading capital. You shouldn't expect that, okay. You shouldn't be looking at you getting up to $1,000 per day when you are using $20 to trade, okay. Well, if you are using $20 to trade and you are targeting $1,000 per day, then you are not being realistic. What of those that are using $10,000 to trade? What of those that are using $100,000 to trade? What do you expect them to make, okay? So you need to be realistic. So 10%, maximum of 10% is even too small, too much, okay. But at least just for you to grow very fast, okay, maximum of 10% is enough for you to achieve in a day, okay. Maximum of 10%. So that means 20, if you're having $20, all you need to make is just $2 per day on that day, okay. $2, that is all you need to make, and you close the trade, and you close your order for the day. You don't go to the market again, even if the market looks to be very juicy, okay. It might looks to be very juicy for a very long time. Probably it is about the time you will be going there, that is when a spike or a crash will happen, and it will look as if you went at the wrong time, okay. And that is why you guys always blame yourself that after making so much money you end up losing them all again, okay. You need to walk away, okay. You need to learn to walk away sometimes, okay. You don't have to get everything all the time. You need to learn to walk away once in a while, okay. So that is it. So right now we're pegging it out down at 10% on maximum of your trading capital. So now I will be doing one more thing in order for you to know how to go about it. So I want you guys to go to this site called compounddaily.org, okay. I will also be dropping the link in my description level, in my description box, okay. I will also drop it on the Telegram channel so that you guys can have access to it. So I'm going to copy the link directly and drop it there so that you guys will have access to it. So once you click on the link, it's going to open up to this page directly. Once you get to this page, on the initial amount, everything will be blank here. Okay, let me just reload it so that we will understand what I'm trying to talk about, okay. This is it. This is the way it's going to look like, okay. So everything will be blank. Everything will be blank. It makes it very easy for you to compound, okay. This is the method. When I started then, okay, after passing through a lot of training, okay, I came down to this side. I did my calculation for the next 30 days, so I knew what I want to achieve within 7 days, within a week, within 2 weeks, okay. So I started that way, and from there I started growing my trading capital, okay. Let's say we are starting with $20, okay. We are starting with $20. You already understand how to go into the market, how to analyze the market, the trading tools you should use, what you should look at before you jump into the trade, and what you should target, okay. I'm not saying you should achieve the 10% from a single trade, okay. You can just pick 5-minute candle and wait for another opportunity to pick another one, and wait for another opportunity to pick another one. Then you can start with the beginning of the trend, starting with the trend until you are able to achieve your trading, your daily target. That is, if the trend is still going, once you have achieved your daily target, you can close your trade at that particular point, okay. This is just trying to let you to be a bit disciplined with what you are doing. If you have a good plan and you have a good trading tool, definitely I see no reason why you shouldn't milk the market, okay. I see no reason why you shouldn't milk the market. So that is all you need to do to be successful, okay. So let's go back to this. Let's see how much we can make in 30 days if we continue with this, okay. Using the compounding method is always amazing because it helps you to make so much money within a short period. You start with small amount of money, then you make so much money within a short period, okay. So you can see daily interest rate in percentage. You put 10 here because what we are looking at is 10%, okay. Then length on terms of days, okay. I'm going to do it for 30 days, Okay, 30 days. Thank God we can trade on weekends too, since it is synthetic indices. Okay, daily interest, daily reinvest interest. Okay, we are putting back everything, so we make it 100% for the next 30 days. That is, both your capital and your profit will be turned into capital the following day. Okay, so that is what we are looking at. Then weekends. Okay, yes, include weekends. Okay, because we trade even on Saturday and Sundays. Okay, then the next thing you need to do, make sure you fill it out in this form. The next thing you need to do is to click on calculate now. Okay, good. So you can see this is the calculation. On first day you will be making $2, on second day you will be making 2.2, on third day 2.42, on fourth day 2.66, 2.93, $3, 3.55. You can see it is increasing. In 10 days time you will be making $4. In 20 days time you should be making $10 or even $12 in 20 days time. Now let's look at it. Okay, let's look at it. At the end of 30 days your total capital should be $349. Okay, isn't that amazing? $349. So you can easily grow your trading capital to that level, okay, if you follow through with this. Okay, so quickly, we've done our calculation. This is what we want to follow through, which means if I'm starting with $20 today, all I need to get is $2. Okay, that will make it $22. By tomorrow, when I'm starting tomorrow, I will be having $22 as my trading capital. So my next target, my earnings should be $2.2. Okay, that will make it $24. In 3 days time, my target should be my capital should be $24. So my next target should be $2.42 as my profit. Once I achieve this, then my earnings will be, my capital will turn to $26. Okay, isn't that amazing? So gradually you grow it till you get to that level. Okay, in 5 days that time you will have turned your trading capital into $32, while on the 6th day it is turning into $35. So you grow very fast, and the more you increase, the more you have as your trading capital, the more dollar you have as your trading capital, the more profit you will be making every day. So it is as amazing as this. Okay, it is as amazing as this. Okay, so quickly, let me quickly show you this so that you will understand how to go about it. So I'm coming to the worksheet again. Okay, now on the worksheet, okay, like I said, for $20 you use 0.02. So let me quickly do a little more calculation so that you will understand what to go into, what to use at each time once your trading capital is increasing. For $30, all you need to do is just to use 0.03 as your trading capital to trade. For $40, you just increase it like that until you get to a reasonable amount of money. This will reduce the number of times you spend in the market because the capital is now increasing, so definitely the lot size should also increase. Okay, you should be using 0.04, okay, at that particular time. For $50, okay, for $50 it should be 0.05, okay. For $60, let me just do that quickly so that you guys will understand the way it works. Then you can use 0.06, okay, for $70, because people will still ask me later on, so that I don't want to waste time with you guys, so that you can get started immediately. Okay, for $88 rather, okay, $80, at that stage you use 0.08, okay, sorry, 8. For $9, you use the same thing. Then for, okay, let me use, for $90 rather, use 0.09, while for $100, let me use $100 so that you will understand how to go about it. You use 0.1, okay, 0.1. You can see how far we have gone before we got to this level, and you can even decide to stay at 0.08, even right from $80, in order to reduce the risk and for you to make more profit with it. Okay, so this is amazing. You guys should check this out. This is an amazing opportunity. All you just need to do is just to to watch this video over again to understand every steps I have highlighted in today's video, then follow through with it. Have this set up on your charts and make sure you practice it with it, and make sure you also follow the compounding method in order to grow your trading capital. You can see we took it from $20 down to $349. Okay, isn't that amazing? So you guys can always do this over and over again, and the good thing about this is you can also use it for any capital at all. Okay, let's say you are having $1,000 here. Okay, $1,000 there. You just need to change this figure to $1,000 and do the calculation. Okay, that way you will be having if you are starting with $1,000 in 30 days time, your trading capital should have grown up to $17,449. That is amazing, right? So you guys can think about it. This is one of the secrets I have been using to grow my businesses all over the internet. Okay, this is how I go about it, so you guys can look into this. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now. I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God